Hello D Nation and welcome back to a classic unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Triumph Trophy, and this is a 118 scale motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly, and this is a rare vintage diecast replica motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window-type Triumph affiliated boxing manufactured by Welly with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of a classic motorcycle by Triumph Motorcycles, and this is a premium and well-detailed vintage replica and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of intricate details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like the real deal. This classic model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.5 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more, which makes it functional. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this beauty on the D Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium model. So with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the D Nation turntable and take a look at this all-time classic in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this premium diecast motorcycle, here are a few fun facts. The latest Triumph Trophy is a touring motorcycle launched by Triumph in 2012 but discontinued in 2017. There have however been other Triumph models bearing the Trophy name over a long period. For example, Triumph Trophy models with 3-cylinder 900cc engines and 4-cylinder 1200cc engines were manufactured at Hinckley starting in 1991. The new version features a 1215cc liquid-cooled 12-valve straight-3 engine which is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and shaft drive. The engine is also used on a dual-sport sibling, the Tiger Explorer. Although on the Trophy it produces slightly less power and has a taller 6th gear, more suitable for touring proposals of this motorcycle, the base model will be complemented by the SE, which features extra equipment such as electronically adjustable suspension, a Bluetooth audio system, and a tire pressure monitoring system. And for more information on the Triumph Trophy, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that was featured in today's video, I dropped a Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this 118 scale Triumph Trophy motorcycle. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.